Okay, in this video we are going to look at the Ryobi angle grinder. We are here, bought from Bunnings, so I'm just going to open it up and have a look. So this is a 125mm angle grinder, Ryobi brand, 2-position handle, 800 watt motor, onboard wrench storage, that's unusual, toolless wheel guard. So it comes with a bag, a disc, a handle and a wrench. So let's have a look. This was about $150 from Bunnings. Okay, one cardboard box. So it comes in a nice bag like a few of their tools do lately, and I think that's a nice little touch. Okay, first thing we'll look at here is the disc. This is a grinding disc because it's thicker. If it's thin, it would be a cutting disc. And the measurement on this, it should be 125. Yes, it's 125. And the center on this is 22 mil. That's 22 mil right there. So they include one of these. Looking at the box now, so there's a bit more cardboard in here, and there's a nice Velcro strap to hold this down. Here is the machine itself, bit of plastic. Okay, so the grip is quite good. The design of the plastic is nice in your hand to hold. You have some air vents here, solid construction, definitely solid. Okay, you have the trigger that you can simply push on, push off, or you can just push it up to activate it, and when you let go it flicks down. So you can use it as a spring-loaded trigger, or you can push it and then flick it down and it'll actually stay on. 2 screw holes on either side here, that's for your handle. Looking at this handle here, that's quite comfortable. It's plastic with a bit of a rubber black insert here, so it'll take away a bit of vibration. There's some space looking bits of rubber here too. I guess they're to dampen the vibration as well, so that's nice. Here's a nice little bonus a lot of angle grinders don't have, but I wish they did, and that was storage for the chuck key. That just slides in there nicely. And it's quite firm to get it in and out, so it's not going to be lost anytime soon. It's got some little ridges on the side, I don't know why, and you simply just screw that in and that will give you your hand position. A lot of angle grinders have a 90-degree handle. This one comes out at a bit more of an angle, so it's like I guess that would be a 75 degree angle here, but that seems to be usable. There's no top mount here, but that's okay. And there's also the other side, so if you're left or right handed, that'll be fine. As I said before, 800 watts, 220 to 240 volt, 12,000 RPM, and wear safety goggles, wear earmuffs, wear dust protection, and read the instructions before use. So with this actual guard here, this is adjustable. You push this up here, so there's no normally they hook on, but anyway, you push that up there and then you slide it to the desired angle you wish. It's got a little roll bearing here, and then you simply push it back down, and then that'll keep that guard in there nice and tight. You can remove it all together if you want to, but probably not advisable for safety reasons. You just bring that to the right position and then lift it out of its posi. Okay, putting your disc in, let's have a look at that. Okay, so that's our guard. On the top here is a little lock-in. So what you would do is you would push your thumb onto that, you would rotate this around until you feel it drop in. Once it drops in, you continually hold pressure on it. Using your change key here, you then would undo your top part here, and you would place your disc in there. Now it does have the center there, which is a 22 mil. So depending on your disc, most of the time you would put it in, and then you can use these both ways. So if it's flat on one side, like for a cutting disc, you would use it on the flat side because it's a very thin disc. If it's a very thick disc, you would use it this side, which has the step going into the middle. So you can use that both ways depending on the disc that you're actually using. So our power cord there, you're probably looking at about a meter and a quarter on our power cord. Standard plug, no earth, which is unusual. Would have been nice to have an earth, but no earth. Instructions here and warranty. You do get the warranty from Bunnings and things like that. Generally speaking, they are quite good tools. I don't think you'll have too many troubles with them. It explains in there how to remove the cutter, how to change the cutter, and probably a few different languages and things like that. So that's just the instructions there. There's probably not a lot more you want to know. 125mm disc, which is 5-inch, thickness 6mm, rated capacity 125mm disc, input 800 watts, spindle thread M14, rated speed 12,000 RPM, and net weight is 2.35 kilos. So it is 2 kilos, it's not particularly heavy. You can still move it around quite a bit. It's not the lightest, but it's not the heaviest. And that's our quick unboxing of the Ryobi 125 angle grinder with a 4-year replacement warranty from Bunnings. Thanks for watching.